in the shop. Oh. Well, that's a problem. I need knobs. Anyway, hotel. And this is probably not a good idea, but I'm just gonna put on a bunch of so like baby hands. I could really care less. I'm trying to buy. Key. Okay, wait, actually. Last breath? Heck yes. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this. Like, bad time I could give up. I do not care. Battle of wits? Heck yes. 4 eyes, every angle. Yes, sir. New roommate and rent school. Yeah, that's it. Well, time to try and die. Wait a minute. I'm taking that off. Sorry, but like the gold helps. So, yes. By the way, my voice doesn't really sound like how it does in the video. I'm just kind of sick. Like, whatever. Yeah, I got this guy. He was kind of a pain in the ass. I'm sorry, I almost swear. But he was a pain in the ass. Like, oh my god, genuinely, I hate him. But also love him. Did bro just teleport outside? Okay, buddy. Now you're just being excessive. Oh! Am I soft locked? Am I soft locked? I'm genuinely soft locked. Okay, good. Oh. Well, it didn't give me that much knobs, but like, I still need knobs, so I'm just gonna have to keep on going through like that. That was unlucky. And when I mean unlucky, I mean like, that was just trash. Loot the whole entire lobby because that's the only kind of break I get. And there's no gold here for some reason. Like, it's meant to be a lot, but like, usually come across at least a few. Oh, I forgot, guys. I'm very forgetful. Please stop. We reached door. That's not it. I am lucky that I'm counting. Get under the bed! Okay, what was I taking damage to there? Stop it, Screech. I hate you so face one more time and I'm actually gonna lose it, man. Brother, I didn't want to hide. If I click hide under the bed, I'm actually cooked. Please. Right, good. This game doesn't hate me. Yep. Money in here. Bro, I wasn't even in the dark room. What are you on about, bro? Michael Jackson at walk. Well, this is just gonna be a rant about how stupid I am. Like I'm going to make the video 2 times faster yes. Okay. What modifiers did I click to make it that fast? When did you spawn, you finish again? Oh my god. Already almost dead. Alright, there's a stinky room. Oh my god. Okay, thank you for the band-aid. No, thank you for him. Like, you had to spawn him in this room. Friends do active. I am mentally dumb. Okay, well. 86 knobs is fine enough. I quit. So if you want to see more content, then please sub. Like, you know what? Actually, no. You don't have to sub. You can sub if you wanna, but yeah. Actually, I have a better idea. So earlier today, I posted a trolling video, but it didn't really get that many views. So I'm actually gonna troll people this time. If people actually joined. Okay, are people gonna join this? Oh my gosh. And if you were wondering why I didn't use one of my revives, it's because... Ooh. I might have... Yeah, I might be friends with Christmas Stella, IRL, and in the game. You know what? Oh my gosh, I forgot. Dang it. This is already going off to a bad start. Yeah, we got this one. Alright, if this game is actually active. You guys read chat.